Hello, everybody. I just wanted to introduce you to the Outdoor Mindfulness, which is a free course which is running from May until June in Keynsham. And we'll be going in the outdoors around Keynsham Park and the local areas, doing some mindful walking. And also, if the weather's not so good, as we had on our most recent course, we go for a drink, have a mindful drink. Be sharing some other mindful activities. So we would love for you to join us. We meet outside the Fair Hall in Keynsham, and then make our way out and about. So here's some reviews that we had from our one which we're running at the moment. Kirsty says she enjoyed being outside in the sunshine, listening to the sounds. And Janet says she loves finding out new walks in the area. And Caroline said it was lovely to chat and get to know others in the group, and it's lovely to take a moment to appreciate what would normally pass us by. So I've been running mindfulness groups for many years, and I'm also a yoga and Pilates teacher, and I've really enjoyed teaching this mindfulness outdoors in the nature as well. So if you're interested, you can either contact me or you can visit the Wellbeing College site in Bath, and you can book directly with them who it's funded by. Any questions, please let me know. Take care. Bye-bye.